All right, so I have loaded my Remix IDE, and since I have built these two smart contracts, so they are already there as AI enhanced wallet.sol and test.sol. So since you have since I've put the addresses of both these smart contracts, um, you simply need to load them in your Remix ID. I've also connected my MetaMask, so you can see that. So this is the owner which I used to also deploy these two smart contracts. And since this ideally should be a separate account, the API payment account, which is where I'm receiving my payments in DAI. But since I'm the creator and I'm also the consumer, so that's why you can see it for now. But yeah, ideally in a perfect world, this would be a separate account, some other wallet. You can just always change the address and make it yours, so you'll get paid in DAI. Nevertheless, let's focus here. So this is my address of the backup wallet, which is 070x79, and I have used this address to deploy essentially these two smart contracts. Now, when you're loading them up to have a look and to do some basic interaction, you obviously do not have owner access. Simply just select the smart contract and compile it over here. And the next thing you will need to do is the deployed file that I have given. Just put the address of that file over here in the address field. So I'm just going to quickly grab the address. So you can see that I am on my GitHub page, and where is the address? I'll just scroll up, and you can see this is the address of my AI enhanced wallet. And I'm just going to come back over here, and I'm going to put the address over here, and I will select contract AI enhanced wallet, and I'll simply put it. Oh, so sorry. So just put the address. So I will copy the address and I will paste it and load it. So you can see that you've loaded my my smart contract from this is the same contract essentially that I've already deployed on Sepolia. You can just load it up. And similarly, you can then select, go back to compile and then select the other smart contract. So I'll go back to my file explorer, I'll select test.dai, I'll go and hit compile, and I will come on deploy, and I will load my test.dai already deployed test.dai smart contract. So if you want to deploy it again, feel free to do it. Change the script with the new addresses, the Python script. Otherwise, just load my my address, my smart contract, and you will have both of them. So you've got your AI enhanced wallet file which is loaded up, and also the test.dai file. You can obviously do some basic interactions. You're not the owner of these smart contracts, but you can call some basic functions and see what's happening inside these contracts. These are the contracts that the Python file is talking to at the moment. You can obviously, you've got the source code, you can deploy your own smart contracts, and you can just change the addresses in the Python file and then independently play and then tweak them as well based on how you want them to play out. So yeah, that's all for the smart contracts.